There is energy that runs through your body. It is called subtle body energy. When you go out and interact with people, you share your subtle energy with other people, and they share their energy with you. So by the end of the day, you may pick up so much energy of other people which needs to be cleaned. So I would recommend to do this technique that I show you how to clean your energy every day. You do it if you interact with other people, and if you don't go out as much, you still need to do energy cleansing, because you can get toxins in your energy field from your own thoughts and emotions. So how to do energy cleansing on yourself? First, you need to prepare your hands, make them sensitive to energy. To do that, put your hands together like that, close your eyes because you need to go within, and start rubbing your hands for 20 seconds or until they become warm. Now spread them apart like that and try to bring them together, but do it millimeter by millimeter until you feel resistance or tingling sensations in your hands become very obvious. So now I feel lots of tingling sensations in my hands. I want to bring my hands closer, but I can't. I feel this resistance. I am holding my own energy ball, so I can feel it from all sides. It's like children's ball. Okay, if you feel tingling sensations in your hands, it means your hands are ready to do energy cleansing on yourself. Now you need to bring your hands about 40, 30, maybe even like more than 40 centimeters from your body. Begin from the top of your body and try to find your own aura. Here I found the end of my own aura. It's usually like 40-50 centimeters that you can feel your own aura. Do tasting. Tasting is done by pushing and pulling your own aura. It's like that. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay. And when I do back and forth movements, I feel that something is moving in my body. So now I can scan my aura using my hands by doing pushing and pulling the aura, and I feel it. So now I feel that something is moving in my chest. This is the sensitivity you need to develop. So you're not touching yourself, you're touching the aura, but you feel it. Okay, so now you can test your own aura everywhere, because aura goes around you, and feel the end of your own aura. Now you need to start doing sweeping motions like that. Sweep, 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 and throw this energy into the fire. I have a candle up there, so you need to burn this toxic energy. Sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. When I do that, I feel as if I am removing dust. It's how I feel energy, dust. I am removing dust from myself. I am doing sweeping motions from top to bottom of my body. And this is how you clean your own aura. This technique called general sweeping. It's when you do it from top and go down and clean your own aura. As you go down, you may feel that some areas of your body vibrate differently. Like, for example, I may feel, okay, something around my throat here may feel different. Maybe like a blockage or like a density here. So what I can do local sweeping. Like sweep, 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 and throw into the fire. So local sweeping you do only around the areas which vibrate differently, and you feel it. You feel it with your hands if you make them become sensitive. So after cleansing, after removing this blockage, you can test it, and it should feel much better. So when you remove this blockage, you actually removing toxicity from the body, which may create illnesses in the future, or maybe already it become an illness. Okay, so these two techniques, general sweeping from top to bottom and local sweeping only around the organs or body parts that vibrate differently. This is how you do energy cleansing on yourself, and you need to throw this dust into the fire. You need to burn toxic energy. If you throw this energy into the room, it will come back to you, or somebody else will pick it up. So you basically throw your own toxins. You spread the toxins, and it's no good. You need to burn them.